Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Springtrap mask. First, gather your essential materials. You'll need several sheets of EVA foam, ideally in varying thicknesses, along with a reliable hot glue gun and a set of sharp craft knives. Don't forget to print out clear reference images of Springtrap from multiple angles to guide your build. Finally, ensure you have a sturdy base, such as a hard hat, to build upon. Now, let's build the foundational head shape. Begin by cutting out the primary pieces for the head and jaw from your EVA foam, following your reference images closely. Use a heat gun to carefully shape the foam, creating the distinct curves and contours of Springtrap's head. Once shaped, attach the jaw piece using small hinges, allowing for realistic movement when worn. Next, we'll add the intricate details that bring Springtrap to life. Cut and glue smaller foam pieces to form the teeth, ears, and exposed wires, paying close attention to their placement. Use a Dremel tool or a soldering iron to create the weathered, damaged textures and holes characteristic of Springtrap. After these details are in place, apply a base coat of dark green or brown paint. Finally, it's time for painting and the finishing touches. Layer lighter shades of green and brown over your base coat to achieve that decayed, aged look. Use black paint to add deep shadows and grime, enhancing the mask's terrifying appearance. Once the paint is dry, apply a clear protective coating to seal your work. Your Springtrap mask is now complete and ready to scare.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.